Hello children. So today our discussion is on multiplication of algebraic expression. So in that multiplication, so there is only one rule, that is the multiplication of the sign. So if you multiply minus with minus, then it will give plus. And if you multiply plus with minus or minus with plus, in both the cases it will give minus only. Okay, so and if you multiply plus and plus, it will give plus. This, so you have to remember all this for doing the multiplication. Okay, now that exercise 5b. So in this exercise 5b, question number 1, 2 and 3 number I will do. So with this concept you will do that question number 1. So now see the question number 2. It is given that minus 3 by 8 x power 4 y minus 3 by 8 x power 4 y z by multiplication, no? So by means multiplications, minus 16 a square y power 4 b cube. This one is given. So whenever multiplication is given, at that time the first thing you have to do is the multiplication of the constant factors. First you have to multiply the constant factors. So minus 3 by 8 into minus 16. You break it after that one by one. So now in this term, your first factor is the constant, next factor is x power 4, that means x factors. So now in this case you find whether x factors are there or not. So here x power 4, here x factor is there, not there. So similar, just simply write x power 4. Next, here next factor is your y. So you check here in this factor, this term, any y factor is there, because here your next factor is y, so any y factor is there, yes, y power 4. So this one together you write y power 4. Now here next factor is z, here any z is there, not there, so simply you write z. After that any remaining is there, in this case a cube is there, a square is there, b cube is there, so write a square b cube. Okay, so now thing is that 8, do the cancellation. Now simplification you have to do. 8 to the 16 minus it will become plus, so 6, 3 to the 6, x power 4 y power 4, base are same, power will be added. Here 1 y power 1 is given, so y power 1 plus 4 5, z a square b cube. This will be your answer. 6. Okay, here by mistakenly I have written, in place of a square I have written a power 4, so you make it correct by yourself. Okay, this one a square is given only, so here also it will become a square, so just this square 4 will be the square. Okay, next your 3 number, minus 17 by 8 in x cube y square minus 16 by 51 x square y. So first of all you have to multiply the constant, so that I have written, then multiplication, and now x cube, next factor is x cube, here check any x factor is there, yes, so x cube x square plus y square y square y, so it will be, if we do the cancellation you will get 2 by 3, x power 3 into x power 2 means x power 3 plus 2, that means x power 5, y cube y square, sorry, y cube y means y power 3 plus 1 4, y power 4. So answer will be this one. Find the products. Product also means, or product also means that multiplication. So in this questions, this one it is given. So first of all, here all the term, this one is one term, this all together means one term, no? So first you check, bracket is given. So these four factors are there. So if you do the multiplication, what will be your simplified answer? That one you have to find. So first, in this case, this part, your constant is 5/2. Here nothing is there, means 1 is there, and then this -2 is there, here -1/5. So all the constant term you write first, minus, not constant factors you have to write first. So 5/2, then -2, then -1/5. Okay, constant term over. Now bracket to give. After that, x square is there. Check any x term factor is there. No, here not. So now next, here it is x cube. So x square x cube. Next here x. So x square x cube x. Now here y cube is given. Check any y factor term is there. Yes, minus y square is there. Written. Now here also y is there, and here also y. So these are written. And now z. Z is there. Here any z term. Here nothing is there. After that, now go to the next term. Here z is given. So check here any z term is there. Z factors, here z factor is there, z. So z power 7 z. So now you apply the exponent formula, that is your base is same, power will be the added. So this one to numerical simplifications, and here it will be x power 2 plus 3 plus 1, that means 6, y power 3 plus 2 5, and then again 2 is there, y, so y squared, to 5 plus 2 7, and z power 9. And now this here one minus is there, you have to be very careful with the sign. Here minus is there, and here also minus, here also minus, this will become plus. 3 minus is there, means it will be 1 minus. So this is your answer. Okay, now question number 4. Find the value. Find the value 1. If here it is, you have to do the multiplication first. You have to do the multiplication. After that, you have to put the value of m and n here. So let's put the value. So let's do the multiplication first. Here 10 is given, here 20. So first you do multiplication of constants. So minus 10 into minus 20 multiplication. Here m square, here m. So m square into n. Now n power 6, n power 15, n power 6, n power 15. So 100, 20 and 10 will be 200, m cube n square. So after that you put the value of m here. M will be how much? 1.2. So 200 into 1.2 cube into n square means minus 1 square. So like this you have to put the multiplication. That means it will be 200 1.2 cube minus 1 square. So 1.2 cube means how much? That one you have to find. Minus 1 square means 1 only. So 200 into this, you have to do the multiplication. Similarly 5 number, 6 number, 7 number, 8 all are same. I am doing that 9 number. So 9 number, it is given that x square y inside the bracket is given. So this term is common for both this term and this one. This term is common, that's why I have taken outside the bracket. So while splitting the bracket, while you remove the bracket, at that time this term will be the multiplied to all the terms. So that means 3, that means it will be x square y, you have to multiply this term also, x square y, you have to multiply this also, x square y, you have to multiply with 7 also. So it will be how much? So x square y into 3x square y square, it will be 3 constant. First of all you have to multiply the constant. So 3 is there, here 1 is there, so 3 I have written. x square, x square. Now check here, numericals, here x square is there, here x square, so x square, x square. Here y is there, here y square, so y square. Now come to the next term, x square y into 5x. So first you write the constant 5. Now here x square written, x is there, x I have written. Now next is y, here y, so y. So now this 7x square y. So 3x power 4y cube, 5x cube y square, 7x square y. So 10, 11 you have to do with this method. Now see the question number 12.